This is the PCBA board manufacturing process series. Let's take a look at the PCBA production process. First of all, SMT first inspection. The first inspection system is a set of quality management system integrating inspection equipment and data platform. The inspection unit in the system will carry out automatic inspection on the first sample and check with the data in BOM. Secondly, SMT detection means to obtain the image of the object under test by optical means. Generally, the illumination image of the object under test is obtained by sensor, camera, digitize, then by compared, analyze, inspected, and judged in some way, which is equivalent to automatic and intelligent artificial visual detection. In addition, DIP workshop. DIP is the hand plug-in component, which is inserted into PCB board by human or other automatic equipment.